So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you two different types of tripod stand that I have and I absolutely love. They are called tripod stands because they can stand on 3 legs. There are also some phone holders and accessories that you might find in the market or in the store. If you want to get phone accessories, you want to go to a store where they sell musical equipment or phone accessories, or you might want to check on Amazon, right? So this particular one, I love it. It's a table, it's an adjustable table tripod stand. Why I say it's adjustable is because you look at it as small, but you can extend it, right? You can extend it all the way, right? And then most of the tripod stands for phones have the area where you can put your phone. This is adjustable, so you can put your phone. It's adjustable. If I unscrew this, it just keeps expanding till it can accommodate my phone. So when I put my phone, I'm able to just screw it on back. And this also has a Bluetooth. So with this Bluetooth, once it's positioned, I just need to pause, play or record and I'm good to go. So I love this. This is handy. It can fit into my handbag if I'm going out. So if I put this way, I just adjust it and then I put it in my handbag and I can always use it anywhere. This is my bigger tripod stand. Like you said, it is big. It can take a phone as well as a camera. Now the uniqueness of this, it is well extended. If you put it down, it can go as far as, like, it's just really long, right? It's adjustable. And then the phone holder can hold my phone here or hold my tablet here. So it's absolutely adjustable for my phone. And then I can also remove this and fix a camera here. Then here I can control my recording using this, the adjustables, and here as well. And then of course it can actually go all the way round. So I absolutely love this. And you don't only need to adjust on this foot axis, you can also adjust here at the top. So if I unscrew this, I can go all the way and adjust it. So this is really nice. I don't know how much it will be sold in your countries or wherever you are, but you can find it, this tripod stand.